Today I'm going to show you how to view the featured feed in itch.io in just a few quick steps. This is a really simple tutorial, but it's useful if you want to discover popular games, trending projects, and featured content all in one place. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. You can type itch.io into the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top menu. You'll see several navigation options across the top of the page. From there, click on Feed. This will take you to the Feed section of itch.io, where you can browse different activity and discovery options. After that, look for the Featured Games feed and click on it. This opens the Featured Feed view, where you can see highlighted games and recommended content. It's a great way to quickly explore what's being showcased on the platform without searching manually. If you're trying to discover new games or keep up with featured releases, this is the fastest way to do it. And that's it, you've now learned how to view the featured feed in itch.io. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.